Big thanks to Shoptagr for sponsoring today's video. So you got yourself a Tesla, congratulations, but you're not quite done yet. In this video, I'm back with my buddy David's Model Y and my Model 3 to show you some awesome accessories that will make your Tesla even better. All the links to everything I mentioned will be in the description below, along with some coupon codes for certain items. Now, this list is mainly for Model Y, but many of these items are compatible with Model 3 as well, and it's broken down into 3 categories: must-have accessories, cleaning tools, and bonus items. Now, starting with must-haves, one of the first things you should get is a center console wrap. Like many Tesla owners, I'm not a fan of the glossy piano black surface of the center console. It's a dust and fingerprint magnet, so a quick and easy fix is to install a center console wrap. They come in many different finishes, but I prefer the plain matte black because it matches the rest of the black interior perfectly. With some patience, you can install it in just a few minutes. Next up is a screen protector for your display. The touchscreen is the brain of your Tesla, so you need to protect it at all costs. Now, this screen protector comes in 2 different options: a matte finish for reducing glare, or crystal clear if you prefer not to alter the way the screen looks. I actually have the crystal clear version on my Model 3, but David has the matte finish anti-glare version on his Model Y. Either one you choose, it's a must-have for protection. These Tasmanian floor mats are probably the best Tesla floor mats for under $150. They are custom designed to maximize protection of the floors from spills, stains, dirt, snow, and more. They're made of premium quality odorless material that's BPA free, non-toxic, and environmentally friendly. Now, the mats are strong and durable in all weather conditions, and the best part is they're very easy to clean with just a quick spray down from a hose. Now, if you're like me, then you want to save as much money as possible when buying products online, and that's where today's sponsor, Shoptagr, can help. Now, besides browsing for Tesla accessories, I also love to shop for camera gear, which can get expensive. Now, recently, the new Sony a7S III was announced, but instead of giving in and buying it right away, I saved it to my Shoptagr watch list so that I will get alerted in the future if the price drops. Now, Shoptagr is an all-in-one dashboard for tracking and buying your favorite online products. It's free to use and can be easily added to Chrome through its extension. Once you've added it to your browser, head over to one of the thousands of brands on Shoptagr, and when you find an item you like, just click the Shoptagr button to automatically save it to Shoptagr. Now, you can choose to get notified by email or mobile push notifications when the item goes on sale or goes back in stock. You can also use the free Shoptagr mobile app to save items. Now, to help organize your shopping even more, you can sort your items into multiple different lists based on your own custom names. Shoptagr even searches for coupon codes during checkout to save you even more money, and they have a cashback feature that lets you get paid through PayPal when you shop from select retail partners. If you want to check out Shoptagr for yourself, click the link in the description below to get started. Now, the next Tesla accessory is the Jeda Wireless Pad and Hub. The Model Y and newer Model 3s already have wireless charging, but the Jeda Pad provides an upgraded wireless charging experience. It's fast, has a grippy, high-quality surface that's resistant to scratches, and fits perfectly in the console area to provide vertical and horizontal charging for up to 3 devices. Now, Jeda's other product is a 6-in-1 USB hub that allows you to use up to 6 different devices for charging and data purposes. It has 3 front USB-A ports and 2 USB-C ports. One of the USB-A ports is located inside a special compartment with a magnetic lid to help hide your Dashcam Sentry Mode storage device, which is a lifesaver. If someone ever breaks into your Tesla, they won't be able to take the USB drive because they won't be able to see it. This next accessory is a magnetic phone holder mount. As much as I love Tesla's 15-inch touchscreen, I still like to use my phone for certain things like Waze navigation and Spotify because Tesla's Spotify app is still very lackluster. So in order to safely use my phone while driving, I got this magnetic phone holder that mounts to the display using a non-residue adhesive, and it works pretty well. It comes with a slim magnet that sticks to the back of your phone case, and you can mount it vertically or horizontally. I mounted mine vertically, and it allows me to safely use my phone while driving instead of putting it down in the console area. And it does a good job at keeping the phone held securely in place without moving around even when turning and speeding up. It also really comes in handy if you drive Uber or Lyft. Now, the last item in the must-have category is the door label kit. Once you get your Model Y or Model 3, you'll quickly realize that many of the passengers will be confused on how to open the door from the inside. Now, these simple labels that show an open door icon will save you from having to explain which button to press to every single rider when they are getting out. I think Tesla is rumored to actually put these on the doors at some point, but for now, these are a quick and easy fix. To kick off the cleaning tools section, this 303 Protectant Spray works wonders at giving your dash and glove box surfaces a nice, smooth, matte finish to help protect them from scratching or scuffing easily. It's not made to remove scratches, but rather you should spray it on as a preventative measure. However, I did scratch my dash before putting this stuff on, and when I did put it on, it helped clear the scratches almost completely. Now for cleaning the interior, I use Car Guy's Super Cleaner, which is an all-purpose multi-surface cleaning spray that works great on pretty much the entire interior except for glass. But it's great for cleaning all surfaces of the seats, the inside of the doors, along with the armrest surface, and even the console wrap too. It comes with a microfiber cloth, so you just spray it on the cloth, then wipe down the interior. I keep this in my trunk for quick cleanups as well. Now for cleaning the touchscreen display, David got this all-in-one screen cleaner tool that has a soft microfiber cleaning surface on all sides, but it also has an integrated spray so you can quickly spray and wipe to clean the screen. This is especially handy during these times of trying to stay as healthy as possible because the cleaning solution inside is antibacterial and is fully compatible with screen protectors. Now for cleaning the exterior, there are a few options. If the car is not extremely dirty, I love to use this all-in-one waterless wash and wax kit from AeroCosmetics, which comes with its own microfiber towels. Now this gives the car a very nice shine, and like the name suggests, it doesn't use any water. However, you can choose to use water with it if the car needs more of a deeper clean. But for the deepest clean, I recommend either a 2-bucket car wash kit like this one from Chemical Guys, or something like this that I have, which is a GreenWorks electric pressure washer. And as long as it's below 1900 PSI, it should be safe to use on a car's paint. I have the 1700 PSI model, but you can also get 1500 PSI. It comes with 2 different spray heads depending on your needs. I like to use the 40-degree head unless I have a lot of bugs to get off the front bumper, then I'll use the 20-degree head. It comes with its own soap applicator bottle, which I fill up with this Karcher Biodegradable Wash and Wax soap, and it does a pretty decent job for a touchless wash while not harming the environment. Now these bonus accessories include some things that are not absolutely necessary but are nice to have. And David got these cool puddle lights that illuminate the ground with the Teslarati logo when you open the car door at night. They come with a special wedge tool to assist with removal of factory lighting, so anyone should be able to do it themselves. He also got this rear seat pet cover for his dog Luna, which helps protect the seat and floor from damage and stains. It's foldable and easily fits in any of the storage compartments in the Model Y, and it also fits the Model 3. Now the Model Y tow hitch from Tesla can be a little expensive, so if you want to save money and do the install yourself, you can get this tow hitch from Teslarati, which is only around $320, and it comes with the step-by-step instructions for installing it yourself. They also have one for the Model 3. Neither the Model Y nor the Model 3 come with a spare tire, so if you travel a lot, you may want to get this spare tire kit from Modern Spare. It comes with a carrying case and all the tools you need to put the spare tire on if you ever find yourself needing one. They make them for the Model Y and the Model 3. Now, if you want some high quality air fresheners to keep your Tesla smelling good, check out ScentWedge. They're made from real wood infused with all natural ingredients and fit perfectly in the vent area and offer some very nice refreshing scents. They recently just came out with a new product called Desk Wedge, which is also made of wood and gives you a place to put your laptop or tablet on when you're parked so you can get some work done, which comes in handy if you're supercharging. It also fits nicely into the center console area for storage. Now, last but not least, if you want a nice foldable mattress for your Model 3 or Model Y, check out Testmat. I don't own one of these yet, but I do plan to get one soon. It's the only one I've found that looks comfortable enough that also folds and fits into the sub-trunk area. Definitely handy for camping. So those were all the best accessories for the Tesla Model Y and Model 3. Did I miss anything? Leave a comment below and let me know your favorite Tesla accessory. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more Tesla and tech videos in the future. Thank you for watching. My name is Andy, and I'll talk to you in the next one.